Wherever you are, I hope you are well. Welcome to Event Channel. Natural disasters and climate change, this time in China. China, May 2023. Starting from May 5th, heavy rainfall-induced floods have impacted more than 497,000 people across 43 counties and 7 cities in China's Jiangxi Province. Emergency shelters have accommodated 14,000 individuals, while 2,482 people require immediate living assistance. The floods have affected around 67,700 hectares of crops, with 11,000 hectares being completely damaged, resulting in a direct economic loss of 520 million Chinese yuan. Furthermore, a dam ruptured due to the floods, but has since been closed. Reports also suggest waterlogging in the urban areas. To combat the situation, the National Headquarters for Flood Prevention and Drought Control has issued a Level 4 emergency response, deploying an expert team to the affected regions to oversee the rescue operations. At least 1,000 people, 19 vehicles, and 18 boats have been mobilized to rescue and evacuate the affected population. China has issued a warning regarding the possibility of more floods and heat waves in 2023. The Deputy Director of the National Climate Center, Song Lianchuan, has stated that the current acceleration of global warming is leading to an unstable climate system, influenced by the impact of climate change. Subscribe for more videos and informations. Goodbye.